Hey bitches. Today, I want to talk about all these hurricanes that have been happening. And, well, basically, as you guys of course know, what these hurricanes are doing to people is they're basically like just being really aggressive. And while I wouldn't say that they're sexist, I think that they're definitely influenced by sexism. I wouldn't say that, like, just because, or rather, I would say that just by the nature of them being these sort of like aggressive, like dominating forces, like I just that's like a very like masculine, kind of like a toxically masculine way. And something like a nice little sun shower that just waters the plants, is much more like nurturing and matriarchal. So yeah, um, uh, girls are good and guys are bad.
Oh my god, you're such a butthurt triggered male. Why are you so triggered, bro? Bro, why are you so fucking triggered, man?
I just think that men and boys need to feel comfortable like showing their emotions more. Like men are taught to be so stoic and not be as soft, and that's really toxic and damaging to them. Um, and yeah, I just wish that. Okay, while that is true, that doesn't mean that you're right, and that doesn't mean that, you're getting triggered over this is as bad as what women have to go through dealing with these sexist fucking hurricanes. Fuck all of you. You fucking stupid motherfuckers. Fuck all of you. All of you. Either one. Fuck both of you. Fuck you. Fuck you.